slice of pizza? Yes, yes, I'd love a slice of pizza with some olives and some cheese. Oregano, basil, I'll have one please. Would you like a slice of cake? A yummy slice of cake? Yes, yes, let's bake a yummy cake with some icing and some cream, some chocolate and cherries, just like a dream.
ดูหมัดกันห